Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we are going to be making this delicious yummy Nigerian fried rice. So let's get into the main video. So I'll be introducing you to the ingredients I'm going to use for this rice. I have my rice. I'll be using basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice, but I like a long grain rice for my fried rice. So here is the spice I'm going to be using for my chicken. I have thyme, curry, benny, black pepper, salt, onions, then chicken seasoning. So that is green beans, this is liver, this is chicken, carrots, green and yellow bell pepper, sweet corn, green pea, spring onions. So I've already cleaned and diced all the vegetable. So firstly I'm going to boil my chicken. I'll be adding all the spices I mentioned. So these are the spices I'm going to use to marinate my chicken and boil. So I'll give that a mix to incorporate very well. Cover it and allow it to cook on its own juice before adding in any water. Allowing it to cook on its own juice allow the spice to enter into the chicken very well. That is black pepper, grounded black pepper. So here we are. After allowing it to boil on its own juice, you can see I didn't even add any water to it. This water come out of the chicken. So the chicken is ready. The next thing is for me to fry it. I'll fry it on each side until everything is golden brown. The chicken is well fried. I'll bring everything down and we are ready to go into the main preparation of the rice. So I'm not going to parboil this rice. I'll only wash it with my normal tap water and salt. I'm going to wash this thoroughly until the water runs clean. So I'll put it on the sieve so that the water can be draining. First thing, I add in a little bit of that chicken vegetable oil, then I add ginger and garlic paste. I'll fry that for some seconds, then add in my rice and fry. Doing this make the rice come out one without coming into each other, and it will last long. It will not easily spoil. If you have watched to this extent, that shows you like this video. Please hit the like button. If you are new here and you have not subscribed to our channel, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. Turn on the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. To our returning subscriber, thank you for always stopping by. And to our new subscriber, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. I appreciate you all. Thank you. So it is ready now. I'll add in the chicken stock. So my chicken stock cannot cook this rice. I'm going to add in extra water. Then I'll mix it and test to adjust the taste if there is any adjustments to be made. So I'll add in 1 cube. My chicken is well seasoned, so the stock came out very delicious, so I don't need to add much to the rice again. So I add only 1 seasoning, then I'll cover it to cook. Here is the rice, well cooked. I didn't add any curry again. You see the color. You see how the rice come out one, not coming together. So the next thing is to fry the vegetable. So here is my liver. I'll be adding in sausage. You can use only liver or you use sausage. I decide to use both. So when that is well fried, I will pack it out and add in my onions. Then add in all the remaining vegetables that I mentioned earlier. Please guys, keep supporting your girl. Like my video, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't. Thank you. So guys, enjoy the rest of the video. See you all in my next one. Bye.